Good evening, Bridgewater families. This is Mrs. Antoine. Wanted to let you know how week 2 has gone. I think it's gone really, really well. Been so nice to have your children back in school again, and nice to see everyone getting into the routines. It's working very well. Morning drop off has gone, I would say, extremely well. The only thing that I would ask is don't try to sneak up on the 8 o'clock time in the morning or the 8:10 time. So if the students are having breakfast in the morning, they can be dropped off at 8 o'clock. And they can go right on into the cafeteria and have breakfast. Students who ride the bus to school in the morning may still have breakfast in the morning. And that doesn't matter if their bus arrives at 8:20 in the morning and they think, oh my goodness, I've got to get to class. No, they can still have breakfast. They will not be marked tardy for having breakfast in the morning. Students who are not having breakfast in the morning may be dropped off at 8:10. Not before that. I know some of you, I get it. But again, they can't just go to the playground. So, and I'm trying to avoid those large crowds. So if you can help us with that 8 o'clock and the 8:10 and stick to that, that's great. Again, and the parents dropping off, you've done a wonderful job. So we're out there, we're a moving machine. Love to see you in the morning as well. Afternoon, the pickup again has gone really, really well. Some days, especially when we have rain, the lines have been longer, and I understand that. That doesn't bother me at all. Just know that we're trying our best out there, and we'll get you out of here as quickly as possible. We have been leaving the barricades open in the afternoon so that parents can leave out that exit and get onto 246 and get down the road as well. Especially helpful for parents who live in Bridgewater Heights and Faribault and places like that. So trying to make things easier. Some parents have wondered, can I just park over at Rockfield and have my child cross with the crossing guards and pick them up from there? Absolutely. And same thing in the morning. If you wanted to bring your child to Rockfield and drop them off and have them cross with the patrols, that's fine. I have no problem with that whatsoever. My biggest thing is safety, though. You know me about that. Those kids need to be safe getting across that road. So cross with the patrols, not without the patrols. This coming Friday, we got picture day coming up. So students came home with their picture packets. So if you want duplicates of their pictures, please make sure you fill that one out or go online. And I have that information here in the Friday update today, so you can take a look at that. Also, yearbooks were sent home today, so they have an envelope with their yearbook in it. Most of them have names on there. Some students brought home maybe 2 because of their older sibling, and you'll see their name on it. And inside there will be their yearbook. So again, rather than sending them over to the middle school, I sent them home with siblings. The rest of the older students will get theirs as soon as I get them over to the middle school, and we'll get those delivered. I also have yearbooks for the 6th graders and 6th graders and some of the Portage students as well. So we will get those to those parents. We will get them notified that theirs are here as well. But yearbooks did come in. We have very few extra. So if you decided that now you want one, contact either Mrs. Patrick in the office or Mrs. Hipsch in the office, and they can let you know if we have any extras left over. Personally, I usually buy 3 every year so that I have a couple extras in case there's someone who needs one. And then that's exactly why I buy those 3. They are $10, so just know that there is a minimal cost to those as well. Otherwise, like I said, things have gone really well, and looking forward to week 3. Thank you very much for everything. And again, if you have questions or concerns, please let me know. I don't know what's in my blind side, so let me know what's there, and I'll be as helpful as I can possibly be. In the meantime, have a great weekend, and we'll see you all on Monday. Thank you. Bye-bye.